Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 30 weeks of a pocket letter, week 21. And that would be October, hang on, 28th, I believe. I may have just screwed that up, so hang on a second. I gotta look at something. Yeah, hey, I don't edit my videos. Oop, now you're hearing my music from a stop. Okay. Yep, week 21, and that would be October 28th. All right, there we go, October 28th. And last week, October, so of course I said I was going to do all Halloween theme for October, fall for November, and of course Christmas in December. So here we go. Most of these stickers I bought it Tuesday morning, and I've had them in my stash for so long because I thought they were the cutest, and I didn't know what I was going to use them on. And I really my favorite character is Frankenstein, so I really wanted to keep him for myself. This is a pocket letter that I will not be handing down to anybody. This is going to be my own for my own little book. So up at the top I have this sticker. It says spooky. It's got a witch's hat on. I like how they did the tree and the S and P, and then purple, and then a jack-o'-lantern, and then some bats, and a little kitty and his paws sticking out there. And then you have a little fence, and then you have the skull. And over here I have a little their eyes, little jiggly eye guy. Ghost, they say spooky. Got a little skeleton guy. I got some little candy right here, and trick-or-treat bag, and then I got some witches' feet sticking up, and then a jack-o'-lantern with wiggly eyes. And then in the center, of course, is my Frankenstein. And then little monsters, and have a little spider and a ghost, and a little bat hanging upside down. Monster Bash, have the little mummy. Then it says hauntingly cute, little bat with wiggly eyes, and then this bat, and then this little pumpkin, and then a spooky night, and this jack-o'-lantern with wiggly eyes. And over here it says it's a bat and moon. It says boo, happy Halloween, and then a little kitty cat with a jack-o'-lantern. And on the side, I don't remember if one of the kids made this little, it is actually a little jack-o'-lantern pin. And I don't know if Allie made that for me a while ago, but I put that on there. And then in the center, I put this little resin piece of a bat and a moon. And then I got Frankenstein, and then I got a bat. And then I got this ribbon. So let's show the top so you guys can see it closer. And in the center, and then the bottom, center again, and the top, and then down the edge. And then on the ribbon, I also have little resin pieces, a little jack-o'-lantern, a cat and a jack-o'-lantern, a ghost and a witch's hat, and a little ghost with a pumpkin body. And then on the back of them, I just did some little purple and orange puffballs. So that's the front of the pocket letter. And then on the back side is another sticker sheet I had that I thought was so cute. Oh, by the way, the paper that I used is my own mixed media paper on this. I did it myself. So that's mixed media paper I made. As well as the paper on this is my mixed media paper as well. And on here, I just did a little ghost, a skull, candy corn, a candy, a bone, a bat, a skull, candy, a little jack-o'-lantern, a witch's hat, and a witch. And then this happy Halloween is looks like bones, cauldron, a witch is flying, a kitty cat, bone, candy corn, a jack-o'-lantern, candy corn, another jack-o'-lantern, a crow, a bat, and another jack-o'-lantern. And on the back side I have this witch, that's a wood piece, and then another witch, and then a jack-o'-lantern. So I'll show the front just one more time. There we go. And then it just dangles off the side. And this is week 21 of 30 weeks of the pocket letter. Can you believe we have 10 more weeks? Almost. Yeah, because I'm on week 21. Yeah. You know what that means? That means December, guys. 10 more weeks till Christmas. Scary! Right? Let me see. I'm going to count this up. I'm curious now. So bring that down. Oh, this would be week October 27th. I said 28th, didn't I? So we have, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks till Christmas from this date that this video is posted. Holy moly! It's coming up fast. Wow, 2021 is not that many months left. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you are enjoying these pocket letters. Feel free to leave me a comment and a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.